Okay, so this company right here today, Silver Creek Aviation Services, here's the registration N9932Z. They're hiding it though. There's their phone number. See, here's her flight pattern. There's their number. Here they are real time. This might be Charlie. Looks like the aviation service there is a little bit of a front for something else perhaps. Anyhow, the circling overhead for hours at a time is just ridiculous. I mean, you can hear the drone, and the weather has changed too. Thanks a lot. The sun dimming totally, you can hear it. Goes on for hours at a time. And do you see how they try to hide their registration number? Because normally it's right up there. They hide it. All right, well, we know who you are. Here's the plane that's overhead right now. And here's his other plane, N7298T. And there's the pilot of this company, who God knows what they're doing overhead.